These are the 3 most common beginner mistakes when it comes to setting up GoHighLevel and start your own SaaS agencies. The first most common mistake for a beginner who just starting out is that you're probably not taking advantage of GoHighLevel free 45-day trial. Yes, you heard that right. GoHighLevel have a 45-day free trial that you probably never heard of and not taking advantage of it right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's come to our computer screen right here. So as you can see here, if you go ahead and search GoHighLevel on Google and click on the Google search result, you can come to GoHighLevel.com here, the official website. You can find that you only can get 14-day free trial to their software. So to get a 45-day free trial, you have to get an exclusive partnership link from an affiliate partner of GoHighLevel, such as myself or many of the other YouTubers out there. You will get a 30-day extended trial. So this is our partnership link right here. I make sure to leave that in the description below, and you can see here this is our exclusive link, and when you sign up to it you get a 30-day free trial instead of a 14-day free trial. Now just a quick disclaimer here guys, if you signing up to GoHighLevel using our link and become an active user, we get a portion of that payment from GoHighLevel, but it will cost you guys absolutely nothing extra from your end. Second disclaimer here is that once you sign up to this partner link, you will be put on to the highest, which is the $497 plan immediately. So quickly here guys, I'm going to show you inside GoHighLevel. So you can see here you're going to be starting off with the $497 plan immediately. The first thing that you want to be doing is go to setting, billing, and click here like this, and you can see here that you can get yourself an extended trial. Now you have to wait a little bit approaching your due date to actually get access to the free trial feature, but basically once you click on it, they're going to ask you what's the reason why you need to extend your trial. And I kid you not guys, they're not going to be reading this. Just give them any reason and you will get an extended trial. There's no approval process or waiting period. It is an automated process. Just give them any reason. And you probably can guess it by now, the extended free trial is going to be 15 days when add on to your 30-day free trial, work out to be a 45-day total, which gives you a lot of time to onboard a client and close some more clients with that free time. Now for those of you who are actually not interested in the $497 plan, there's actually a feature that allows you to downgrade your plan. Again, just tick the box and tell them reason why you're not interested in the $497 plan and actually downgrade to the $297 plan immediately. Again guys, this is an automated process. They're not going to be reading that. So as you probably can see, this method is going to work if you're interested in the $497 and $297 plan for trying it out for 45 days. If you're only interested in the $97 plan, which is their lowest tier, this is probably not going to work for you, and you probably can only try the 14-day free trial instead of the 45-day extended trial. The second most common mistake when it comes to beginner that just starting out is that they go into Google straight away and sign up directly to GoHighLevel and not using an affiliate link and affiliate partnership. So this is going to be a huge loss of opportunity guys. As you probably know, GoHighLevel has its own affiliate program where they partner up with entrepreneurs just like myself and many of other YouTubers and influencers out there. Is that when you sign up, we get a portion of that payment from GoHighLevel, and it will cost absolutely nothing extra to you. So without signing up to an actual affiliate link, you are missing out on a lot of bonus. Now I can't say this for any of the affiliate out there, but personally for us and our agency, we have a huge bonus and a huge support when it comes to helping out with our affiliate partner. So if you're signing up with our affiliate link, you will get access to our bonus premium snapshot that get downloaded over 1,000 times total. You will get a direct invitation to our private Facebook group. You will get a hands-on support from me or one of our team when it comes to continuing with your 30-day or 45-day trial. That's going to be your hardest time when it comes to the learning curve and setting up to GoHighLevel in general. And lastly, you will get a checklist on how to set up GoHighLevel and integrate it with your own business step by step with a complete walkthrough. So that's it. Just make sure that you be smart about it and use an affiliate link. It doesn't have to be ours. You can use many affiliate links out there from other influencer and other YouTuber to help get more bang for your bucks, because they will have every incentive to help you get through the 30-day trial and land your first couple of clients during those periods. Now, the last but not least most common mistake for beginner that just starting out is that they are not getting client during the 30-day free trial or 45-day free trial. Yes, you heard that right, guys. You're probably doing this right now in a form of overthinking or procrastination, and I'm 100% guilty of it myself. Now, the two group of people that fall victim to this mistake is two types. Number one is the overthinker. So the overthinker is the group of people that get caught up with all of the learning curve, all of the information when it comes to setting up GoHighlevel. They normally worry about email getting to the spam box when they actually haven't sent out any email to prospect yet. They worry about onboarding a client when they haven't actually land one or two clients just yet. So the one solution when it comes to solving this problem is having a clear checklist onto what to do from day 1 to day 30 when it comes to landing your first couple of clients during that 30-day free trial. Clear checklist, clear instruction, and clear accountability. Make sure that you comment below. You might find your accountability partner right then in the comment. And also make sure that you check out our free course where we have a checklist and a clear step-by-step guide from day 1 to day 30 within your 30-day free trial. So the second group of people is what we call the procrastinator. I'm definitely guilty of this myself. These are the group of people who actually come up with a lot of tasks or a lot of excuses or any reason that you need to do right now aside from getting client and get paid for your business. So for example, is learning high level, learning workflow, setting up website, all those unnecessary stuff aside from making that phone call and send out email and having more conversation with your potential prospects and your potential client. So the true message to that group of people, guys, is that you need to accept this, that you do not need to know GoHighlevel that much to onboard a client, to sell someone into GoHighlevel. You really don't need to know GoHighlevel that much. In fact, if you run a sales team, you actually find a couple of sales guys who close 10, 20K worth of deal selling people onto Highlevel without login to Highlevel, without knowing Highlevel themselves. It's about solving people's problem, understanding their motivation, and give a logical solution to their problem using one or some of GoHighlevel feature and explain it very simply. To be honest, guys, I would actually encourage that you actually land your first client first before you actually sign up for the free trial, and get our free course in the meantime where we actually show you how to do that. Spend more time prospecting and actually land a client, get paid money into your bank account first before you even sign up for the free trial. So this is it, guys. It's Vico Kang again, your very own GoHighlevel Ninja. We put a lot of time and energy into this video like this. If you can share it to another GoHighlevel expert, that would mean the world to us. And you would do the community a huge service by sharing it to other entrepreneurs who are looking to sign up or start their SaaS agency by learning from this mistake or avoid it completely. This is something that I wish I would know when I was just starting out. There was no video like this, and I definitely do all of that three mistake when I was just starting out. So hopefully you can learn from this and just avoid it altogether. And this is it. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you are also checking out this content right there.